Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you've all had a really good week, and I have a few new subscribers in the past week, so I'm pretty excited. So hello and welcome. Glad you're here, glad you're all here. I appreciate every single one that has hit subscribe so far. It makes me really excited. Today I wanted to do what I want to do. A little bit of backstory is I have started volunteering once a week at a charity called Dress for Success, which helps women who are in difficult circumstances get ready for job interviews to obtain employment, and I help them I style them up for a job interview. I think what I've really noticed in the past couple of weeks since I've started there is how the cost of living these days is really affecting everyone and how it's making life even harder than it should be. So today what I wanted to do is I want to kill two birds with one stone. There are still a lot of department stores here in the States that I haven't been to, Kohl's being one of them. So I thought what I would do today is I have picked 5 items of clothing and 1 belt from Kohl's. It cost me $185, and I'm going to show you how to get 14 outfits out of these 5 items of clothing and the 1 belt. Just so you can see that, and $185 still is a lot of money, and if there's a different department store you would like me to do this with, please comment below and let me know, like Walmart or something like that, to show you that you don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on your wardrobe. I've also chosen some patterned pieces in these 5 items, just so you can also see that you can put in your style personality into this capsule style wardrobe. It doesn't have to be all neutrals to make it work. I've got a little bit of romantic in there, a little bit of classic, a little bit of creative. So anyway, let's get into it and I will show you all 14 outfits. Okay, first of all, we have the floral dress, number 1. Okay, now we have the dress with the shirt over the top, belted in at the waist with the tan belt. Outfit number 2. Okay, now we have the shirt tied at the waist. That's outfit number 3. Okay, so outfit number 4, what I've done is I have buttoned up the shirt, I have tied the belt around the waist, and then I've pulled the shirt up and over the belt so it looks more cropped, sits at the waist, and it looks like a skirt and shirt. So that's outfit number 4. Okay, with the right outfit, I really love an oversized tee, but this isn't the right outfit. So what we're going to do is fold it under, tie it at the back, and there you have outfit number 5. Okay, so now we've added in the navy tank, which I've layered over the dress for outfit number 6. Okay, outfit number 7, what we're going to do is we're going to take the shirt, cross it over, tuck it under the tank. This is a lot easier to do in front of a mirror. And there you have outfit number 7. Okay, now we're going to do the same with the white tee underneath it. Again, tuck the shirt up under the t-shirt. T-shirt's nice and tight because it's been tied at the back. And there we go. Outfit number 8. Okay, so now we're switching over to the pants. These are a beautiful linen pant from, I think it's Vera Wang Essentials. If you like a good wide leg slouchy pant for summer, I would suggest going and checking these out. They're actually really beautiful quality and they're only $49. So anyway, so what I've done is we've just got the pants and the white t-shirt. So that's outfit number 9. Outfit number 10. Pant, t-shirt and shirt. Outfit 11, pant and shirt on its own. Outfit number 12 is the pant and the tank. Okay, outfit shirt and tank. Okay, lucky last outfit number 14, where I popped the fitted tank over the shirt to wear it more like a vest. Okay, I hope this has been of some help and you've enjoyed my 14 outfits, and I will see you all next week. Bye.